FLASHDRY was nice enough to send me some marine oil and fuel absorbency pads. So, I mean, it's pretty clear, obvious, but these are used for absorbing oil or fuel, whether it's a fuel leak or if you're working around the stuff. Mine just came in this plastic bag. There's this paper inside with some ideas on how to use it, some of FLASHDRY's contact information. Only thing on the back is a warning label to not let the plastic bag be around children, so that's good. One thing I do like about this bag though is it's a Ziploc bag, so once you open it, they're not just like scattered. You can pull them out on an as-needs basis, so that's something I quite like. So, looking at one of these, has kind of a clothy texture to it, I want to say. I don't know what the holes are for, or the significance of those, but they're pretty big, bananas for size comparison. So they cover a good distance or area. I'm going to take it out to my garage and we'll try pouring some oil or gas on it. We had some leftover oil from something, I don't know what, but it's been sitting out in my garage and we got to use it or get rid of it at some point. So let's just try pouring a little bit on. So it's kind of pooling. If we give it some, oh, that actually got it pretty good. I mean, it took a little bit to fully absorb into it, but yeah, now there's just like a little bit on top that's still not fully in there. On the back, it's got a, you know, some signs of the other side coming through. I'm gonna grab some gas very quickly and we can try that as well. Oil and gas are two different things, but I thought since they're kind of in a similar area of usage or things, we could just try this out to see if this could like work as well. This might be incredibly foolish of me. Oh, good night. Looks like it's absorbing pretty quickly. I mean, it did go through, but I wonder if that means it's probably not intended as much for gasoline as it is for oil, and I'm just being silly. But I mean, this is kind of interesting though. After a minute or so, you can already see it's just really in there. In fact, to the touch, I'm not really even getting much on me, just the kind of the residue and the greasiness of it, I think. So, and yeah, so these seem to do the trick. And I mean, once you use them, you're good to just, you know, take them and throw them away. So pretty cool. Thanks, FLASHDRY, again. If you're working with this stuff, they're probably good to have.